This is the CMF Phone 1 by Nothing. Now this phone is coming in under 200 bucks. The screen is a 6.67 AMOLED display with up to 120 Hz refresh rate. It's got a peak brightness of 2000 nits, so using it outside in bright daylight is not going to be a problem. It's got a 5000 milliamp battery that's good for up to 23 hours of video playback. The phone sports a 50 megapixel Sony rear camera and also a 16 megapixel front camera. It's rocking the Nothing OS 2.6 on Android 14, and it has expandable storage up to 2 terabytes. All this for under 200 bucks. That is crazy. So guys, in this video, we'll unbox this. We'll see what we get inside the box. We'll test it out, and I'll let you know what I think of it. Okay, so this is the box. We've got phone 1 on the side here, CMF by Nothing. And this is a picture of the camera system. On this side, we've got Nothing. And Nothing on this side. All right, first thing we see, we've got the phone, but we'll set this off to the side. And then we've got your USB charging cable, USB-C on both ends. Very nice. Unfortunately, there is no power brick, so that's a bummer. Got your documentation, and we've got a SIM ejection tool. And that is it, guys, for unboxing. Very straightforward, very simple, pretty much nothing. All right, so this is what we've been waiting on, this phone. So the phone comes in a few colorways. When I got to the website, this was the only one available that I could purchase. So we've got a matte black. It looks kind of like it's got some gray elements to it. And it's got some texture, which I like. It's gonna be pretty solid to hold. I don't think it'll slip out of your hand. Also, this back plate you can swap out. So even though I wasn't able to get the other colors, I can still buy the back plate and have that color. This is a little wheel here that it twists off, and you can attach things to it. And you got your screws here. So when you buy the plates, it'll have the tools to unscrew these. So this is the back. We've got some CMF branding by Nothing right here. Your camera system right there. I like that, nice and simple. It's not like taking up too much of the back like some of the other phones these days. The OnePlus take up the whole back. I like this simple look, similar to like the iPhone 10s or the XRs. And then here we've got the front. I believe this is Gorilla Glass 3. So not the highest end Gorilla Glass, but for under 200 bucks, I'll take it. It looks clean, guys. Look at this slim profile. And we've got your volume rocker here on the left, power button on the right. I like that. It's like the iPhone button layout. I'm familiar with that. I like that. And we've got your hole punch camera up top there. It looks really sleek, guys. This looks awesome for 200 bucks. That's wild. All right, so depending on which one you get, they've got one with a vegan leather back, and the other ones are like this polymer material, like a hard plastic. And I feel like the frame is the same build as the back here. And then again, we've got a glass front with a Gorilla Glass 3 protecting it. So down here, you've got your USB-C port for charging, your SIM tray, and some speakers. And you've got your mic up here. So yeah, let's turn this on real quick. There we go. CMF by Nothing, powered by Android. Very nice. All right, guys, let me set up the phone and I'll be right back. All right, guys, we've got it set up. This is what it looks like. We've got the I guess you can say this is the nothing skin. All right, guys, so this is the home screen, and we'll just play around with it. We'll just move around to see if it's nice and smooth or if it's laggy or not. All right, let's go to display. Don't like adaptive brightness, that's good. Dark theme is good. From right out the box, it's on high, so we've got 120 hertz. So very cool. That's all I wanted to make sure that we are on. So again, so it's still doing its thing. It's still installing apps. But again, here's Google Chrome. Everything's nice and smooth. All right, we've got YouTube here. Everything's looking clean. Scrolling is nice and smooth. That's sounding pretty good, guys. That's loud. Or 50% volume, and it's pretty loud, dude. The brightness on this phone is bright, and it's crazy. Because look at that. Look at where the brightness is. This line right here. It's not even 25, right? I wish you can see the percentage, but it's bright, man, and it's only less than 25%. Let's say 15% or even 10%. But it's bright and everything's easy to read. Also, I forgot to mention that this does come with a screen protector from the factory. It's just a little cheap plastic one, but hey, you got a screen protector right out the box, so I can appreciate that. But yeah, everything is running smooth, guys. 120 hertz refresh rate, very nice. Sound is really nice. The clarity of the screen is very nice. Again, it's super smooth. So again, guys, this is coming in under 200 bucks. You get a 6.67 inch AMOLED display with up to 120 hertz refresh rate, 2000 nits peak brightness, no problems using this outside in bright sunlight. Again, I'm at about 10 to 15% brightness, and it is plenty bright. The sound quality is crystal clear. It's full. It doesn't sound tingy at all. MediaTek Dimensity 7300 chipset, and I believe the Antutu score on this is over 600,000. So it's going to be able to play the latest games. It'll be able to do your everyday task without any kind of lagginess. Just playing around with it right now, going through the screens, opening apps, things like that. It feels no different than my Pixel 7a or the 8a. Everything's running nice and smooth. So again, a lot of bang for your buck. Once again, this phone is under $200. It's modular. You can change out the back plate to, there's an orange and then there's like a light green colorway. You've got this little circle thingy that spins off, and you can attach like a lanyard, or you can attach this little kickstand like thing, so that if you want to set it up, it'll stand up for you. But again, yeah, you can swap all that out, customize it the way you like it. So we've got 128 gigabytes of internal memory, which is expandable to 2 terabytes. Craziness. Sound quality is good. Screen is good. All of that for under 200 bucks, guys. Definitely a pickup. Definitely check this out if you are in a market for a new phone and not wanting to break the bank. I think you'll be very happy with this phone if you pick this one up. Again, it's not going to break the bank, and you get a lot of bang for your buck.